Hi friends, welcome back to EXCELMAP. Friends, in this video, we'll discuss how to calculate the EMI. That means we'll create the EMI calculator in Excel. Generally, we are going for multiple loans like housing loans, personal loans, educational loans, vehicle loans like that. For every loan, we are going to pay EMI, that is equated monthly installment. Every month, how much we are going to pay for the loan amount, that is called EMI. So EMI full form is equated monthly installment. Every month how much amount we are going to pay for the loan, that is called EMI. Based on different types of loans, we have rate of interest. For example, housing loan having different rate of interest, vehicle loan having another rate of interest, educational loans or personal loan having different rate of interest. Here you can see there is loan amount, years, interest rate. By using these three inputs, we are going to calculate the EMI. First of all, loan amount is like 5 lakhs and number of years 5, rate of interest like 9%. Using all these three, we'll calculate the EMI. First, any formula starts with equal PMT. There is a financial function called PMT to calculate the EMI amount. PMT means like payment. It has three arguments. Rate of interest, say 9%. Generally for any loan, we are calculating rate of interest like 8%, 9%, 10%. It's a annual rate of interest. But when we are paying the EMI amount, we'll calculate it for monthly. So that divided by 12. Now it is converting yearly to monthly. Now number of payments, here number of payments means monthly, how many months, but you can see there are number of 5 years. Now we'll convert that into number of months, so that multiply by 12. In every year we have 12 months, that's why just we are multiplying by 12 so that it is converting years to months. Now present value is 5 lakhs. These are the three arguments. Interest rate, that interest rate is annual interest rate, so that we are converting into monthly divided by 12. Number of payments, that means number of months. There are years, multiplying by 12, we are converting that into monthly. Next, loan amount, that is a present principal amount. Press enter. Now you got some amount, but it is showing inside the brackets parenthesis in red color. That means it is a negative value. All financial functions results are going to display in negative only, so that we'll convert into the positive in the starting by adding minus of minus plus, so that we'll get positive value. 10,379.19 EMI we are going to pay every month for this amount, 5 lakhs. So friends, by using these loan amount, number of years, rate of interest, we are calculating EMI, equated monthly installment. Now 5 lakhs amount, number of years 5, rate of interest 9%, the EMI amount is 10,379. This is how we are going to calculate the EMI. There are few more financial functions also there, like IPMT, PPMT to calculate the interest payment and principal payment. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.